welcome back to another video of AV Talks. Today I'm gonna talk about the importance of happiness in our life. So let's move on to the video. Who wants to be sad? We all want to lead a happy life, isn't it? Happiness is created by your perception of life and your expression. Make every moment of life happy and recognize your passion and limitations and not just live in life. Imagine that you are in an auto rickshaw and you don't go where the auto goes. The auto goes where you need to go. You are the only one who knows your inner feelings, thoughts as well as all your inner passions. Therefore, no one can discourage you. You must be the captain of your life. It should be determined by your interest and your abilities. We don't have to do one thing by comparing ourselves with others. We need to concentrate more on the things that make our mind and souls happy. And do not accept too much of anything if they does not happen. It could lead to depression, tension and other health issues. Instead of just trying to compare yourself with others. Think of each of your talents and your blessings and thank God so that your mind can fill with joy. Then we can understand how rich we are mentally. Research shows that 85% of what we think is worries, 79% of that, 15% of something that can never even be imagined. So, let me give you some tips on how to overcome worries. First one, you try to make yourself more busy because every time you get busy and engaged, you stay away from your worries and you are able to perform wisely. Second and foremost, make sure all things are in order. If we bring a structure and order into life, you can do anything punctually. This keeps us away from worries and enable you to make things perfect in good way. The next thing I want to share with you is a secret tip. If we want something, we can definitely achieve it if we act on it. Isn't it? You need to make a good friend, and if you are angry with him, act like you love him. This will definitely change your behavior automatically. After a few days, we can achieve any character like this. Another important thing, love. A love can have a huge impact on human life as we carry the burden of life. A smile is enough to move us forward in a positive way, bringing happiness from all kinds of problems. You learn to love and it will enable you to overcome any crisis and move forward with courage. That is why love is a mantra to always be happy. The gear of your life is in your palm and you have to decide how to spend it. So always try to love and try to be happy. Your innermost is always happy. So be happy now. I'm gonna conclude here. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, then please share it with your friends and family. I will see you next time. Till then, stay safe, stay happy and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.